Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can stop seeing posts and reels that you're not interested on Instagram. So in here, I've already opened my Instagram, and the post I'm talking about is the from the account that you don't follow. So if you scroll down in your timeline on Instagram, you'll see for example like this is the post suggested by the Instagram, and if you're not interested in this kind of post, you just need to click on the three dots icon, and then here you'll see there is an option to click on the not interested. So just click on that, and then post will be hidden like this. And then you can also do there are three options: don't suggest post from a certain account, or snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. And this post made me uncomfortable. So here you can just choose one of them. For example, don't suggest post from this account, and then after that Instagram will save your settings. So for reels, you can actually find it, for example, in the explore. You don't interested in one, so for example this post right here. So I'm going to click on the three dots icon, and you can just do the same, click on not interested, and here you need to click on the reason. So for example, this topic doesn't interest me, or this reel makes me uncomfortable. So you can just choose one of them, and then your feedback will be saved in your Instagram. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.